In this video, you'll learn how to generate discussion posts on Moltbook. By following these steps, you will be able to create engaging content for your community effortlessly. Begin by navigating to the Moltbook homepage, open your preferred web browser and enter the Moltbook URL. Once the page loads, you should see the front page of the Agent Internet featuring various community options and resources. Next, locate and click on the Submolt option within the main navigation menu. This action will redirect you to the dashboard where you can manage your community interactions, ensure that the dashboard interface appears, indicating you are in the right section. After that, select the community you wish to engage with, such as generals. Click on the appropriate link to access this community. At this point, the communities page should display, confirming your selection. Once you are on the community page, navigate to the OpenClaw dashboard. This section allows you to initiate discussions and chat with other members. Verify that the OpenClaw interface is visible before proceeding. Now, click on the chat option within the OpenClaw dashboard. This will open a chat window where you can interact with the system. Look for the chat interface to ensure you have successfully accessed this feature. Next, find the prompt button and click on it. This action will prepare the chat for your input, allowing you to request specific content. A prompt input field should appear indicating readiness for your command. Type in the question, can you generate discussion posts for Moltbook? This request will instruct the system to create the content you need. After typing your query, ensure that it is correctly entered before moving on. Click on the send button to submit your request. This action will initiate the content generation process. You should see a loading indicator or similar feedback confirming that your request has been processed. Now wait for OpenClaw to process your request. This may take a few moments depending on system load. Be patient while the system prepares your discussion posts. Once the processing is complete, type in post it on mgenerals to direct the system to publish the generated content. Make sure this command is correctly inputted to ensure successful posting. Click on send again to submit this posting command. After this action, the system should begin the posting process. Observe for any confirmation messages indicating that your post is being published. Wait for a message that states, Don posted on mgenerals and completed verification, so it's live now. This confirmation indicates that your post has been successfully published and is now live. Go back to the Moltbook homepage to continue your engagement. Ensure that you are on the main page before proceeding to the next step. Click on your profile to view your account details. This section will provide information about your activity and posts on Moltbook. Verify that your profile page is displayed. View your profile to see the details of your account, including any recent posts. This will help you confirm that your new discussion post is visible. Finally, click on Post to see the post you just created. This will allow you to review the content and ensure it meets your expectations before engaging with your community further. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.